Hello everybody. I'm making a small video here for those people who are having trouble trying to install some old games or old programs. Specifically when you run the setup.exe and the install shield is supposed to launch and then suddenly it just hangs there doing nothing. Well, in most cases it's not actually Windows blocking it. It's literally some third-party program interfering with it. And in this case, in my case, it was my Razer Synapses blocking it. So I have here two games. One is Quake 3 Arena. If I launch the setup, demo shield comes up and then nothing. It would just do nothing. It would just sit there. And here I have War of the Worlds. If I now open up this and then launch the setup program, the setup will just do nothing. Yeah, it's just sitting there, not doing anything. It's like, okay, we're happy. No, we're not going to do anything. So I'm going to go to Task Manager and I'm going to show you guys what the hell's going on here. So analyzing the process will discover that Waze's synapses is running inside of the setup. I'm guessing this program is meant to discover new games or whatever, or optimize or something. And it was never designed to actually not interfere with a setup program. So currently it's interfering with it. So when I actually terminate this program, suddenly the setup will start up and everything will be peachy fine. There we go, Quake 3 and War of the World suddenly starting up. So yeah, this was all I wanted to show you guys. Um, if you have any problems installing old games, you might want to check inside your process bar if you have setup exe running and then check if there are any hidden programs within it blocking the attempt from running the setup. That's all. Goodbye everybody.